Discuss the cooling system of a engine. As you can see, we have here a radiator, and the function of radiator is to maintain the coolness of the engine. This is the responsible to cooling the engine. The part of this is the reservoir, and also we have here a radiator cap, and as you can see here, this is the we have here a radiator hose to the water pump going to cool the engine. Then we have here the also ano yun, mainit na, di ba mainit na dito?
Oo. Papasok dito. Ay. Mababa eh.
Mababa nga dito. Dapat malamig dito eh. Oo, dito yung mainit.
Oo, dito siguro.
Tapos
Kasi bababa ulit eh.
bababa, tapos pag ganun. Tama ba? Pag ganun ba siya? Pataas? Paano yung ano nito? Pababa, pataas ba yun?
Dito ba yung pasukan o dito yung labas?
Dito yung pasok ka, tapos lalabas dito.
Tapos papasok ulit doon yung malamig.
Circulate the water or coolant.
Nagpas ka di ka, boy?
Next,
Drawing na.
going to the
Drawing na.
7 total.
to the putang ina, napopost yata.
Paano pa yung